Welcome to Just 1 Minute Solution. I'm going to show you how to install Tradingview on laptop. How to install Tradingview on laptop. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. And then, after that, what you want to do from here is to just click on Tradingview download right here. And then after that, there will be an option right here that will allow you to download the Tradingview desktop app for Windows. So just click on download right here, and then, after that, it will now start downloading. So just wait for this to finish. And then once it's done downloading, you can just simply set up the application. So I'll just set up Tradingview right now. And then after that, this window will pop up. So it will ask us if we want to install Trading. Then after that, it will now start downloading. So just wait for this to finish. And then once it's done downloading, you can simply set up the application. Boom, that's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe and see you soon next video.